Good morning, students. Welcome to this statistics class. This is another class where I'm going to explain to you regarding diagrammatic and graphical representation. And in that specifically, today I'm going to explain to you regarding multiple bar diagram, students. I said multiple bar diagram. So the data is on the screen, students. I think it's very clear to you and it's visible to you. I'll read the data to you, and based on that data, let's do the representation. The amount allocated in the 12th five-year plan in 1000 crores of rupees is as follows. They have different heads: transport, agriculture, education, irrigation, industry. Central government allocation for transport is 400, for agriculture it is 200, for education it is 250,000 crores, students. Okay, irrigation 300,000 crores, industry 50,000 crores. State government, for the transport it is 50,000 crores, for agriculture it is 150,000 crores, education it is 300,000 crores, irrigation 250,000 crores, and industry 100,000 crores. And they said very clearly, represent the data by multiple bar diagram. So we'll start, students, by writing the title. What should be the title? The title is very clear. I can start writing it as multiple, okay, multiple bar diagram, multiple bar diagram representing, okay, representing the amount allocated, the amount allocated 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 in the 12th 12th 5-year plan in, this is important too, in 1000 crores, in 1000 crores of rupees. Okay, so this is how we need to write, students. I know it takes some time, but it is mentioned that we need to make the title and we need to write the title, and for that marks are allocated, students. Remember that. Okay, multiple bar diagram representing the amount allocated in the 12th five-year plan in 1000 crores of rupees. This is what is all about that. Clear? Okay, so now let me start drawing the data, students, drawing the line. So I will draw, the first is the baseline for me, where the baseline is in the x-axis, students, where I have to erect the pillars. Is that clear? Okay, I have to erect the pillars. So I will draw with the same line itself, students. Okay, and I will take, I will thicken that line. Okay, it will be more easy for you to understand. That is the baseline, students. Okay, it's a thick line. And now I will draw the y-axis, students. Okay, so before that, okay, I will draw the y-axis. Then afterwards we will write the scale. That will be easy for you, each and every one of us. This is the y-axis. Okay, so just keep it aside. Let me write the scale. Let me write the scale. I'll write the scale here, students. What is the scale? Okay, so for y-axis, this is for y-axis. Okay, 1 centimeter. This you can see squares, students. I'll take that as 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter, I'll take it as 25,000 crores. Okay, 25,000 crores. So here, so this is 25 for me. This is 50. This is 75. I think I'll increase the scale instead of making it 25. I will make it 50, students. 50, because the margin for me will be less here. So I'll take this as 50. 50. This as 100. This as 150. This as 200. 250. 300. 350. 400 and 450. This is all about y-axis. Okay, I hope it's clear to you, students. Right, let me write it in y-axis. What is there in the y-axis? In the y-axis we have, this is all about amount. Amount in 1,000 crores. This is all about amount in 1,000 crores. Is that clear? Okay. Right. Now let's start with this for the first allocation that we have done. What is the first allocation that we can see is for transport in the data, students, for the transport. For the transport, okay, for the transport, you see they have taken 400 students, 400 is right. Okay, so I'll draw a line of 400. I'll take this itself. The width will be of 400. Okay, right. Next, for the same transport, the state government has given only 50 students, only 50, only 50. So I'll just draw one line joining this and one line joining this. Okay, so I'll shade here, or I'll just draw across lines here, so it will be easy for us to understand across lines. Okay, and write this as what? For transport. This is transport. Okay, right. So next, for agriculture. For agriculture, the central government has allocated 200. Central government has allocated 200. Okay, central government has allocated 200. Okay, then the state government has allocated just 150. Just 150. See, side by side, I have placed the bar, students. Okay, So I'm just keeping it aside. And again, this same, uh, what did I do? I just put a crossbars here. Okay. Um, okay. This is what, students? This is for agriculture. I'll write it here. Agriculture. Agriculture. Then I'll leave two more lines and then I'll go for education. Education, central government has released 250, 250 thousand crores, 250,000 crores. The line comes here, 250. Okay, then I'll draw 250. Right. The next, for the same, for education, the state government has given 350. Wow, great. State government has given more, 350. It has given 350. So that means this bar will be extended till here. This, I hope it's clear, students. The diagram is clear to you. Okay, this is what is multiple bar diagram, we call it as, and this is all about thing that they have done, education in the state government. So I will just again the same thing, I'll shade. Okay, you can understand this. What does this shading represents? The shaded bar represents for whom, the shaded bar represents of the state government allocations everywhere. Okay, and this is for education. Education. Okay, right. The next one is for irrigation. Okay, for irrigation, the central government has given allocation of 3,000 crores. Okay, 300,000 crores. 300,000 crores is been allotted by the central government for irrigation. This is central government. Whereas the state government has given up to 250, just 250. Okay, so this is 250, and I will draw this. Okay, and I will shade. Oh my goodness, again, it is by default, it has taken the shape of a triangle. Let it be. This is for irrigation. It's only just understanding. This is for irrigation. Okay, right. The next one, if you just take the next one, okay, I need to, I suppose, this baseline. I'll increase this baseline, students, so it will be easy for us to complete that whole part. Okay, so I'll increase till here. Okay, I'll increase that with the thickened line, one more line on it, so it will be Right, fine. Now we will take the scale for the last one, that is for industry. For industry, okay, right. Industry, the central government has allocated, the central government has allocated um, only 50 students. 50. This is 50, correct? 50. This is 50. So the same central government has allocated 50, 1 bar. Okay. Then the state government has done it for 100,000 crores they have released for whom? For the industry. What industry? We don't know, but they have released for the industry. So this is how it is. So I'll share this. This is industry. I'll write here 100. Here I'll write 50. Okay. So here for irrigation, this is 250, correct? This is 250, whereas this is 300, and this is 350, and this is 250. This is 150. This is 200. This is 50, and this is 400. Okay, you have understood this. This is what is which diagram, students? Which diagram this is? This is multiple bar diagram. Now we need to write the index. Is it right? The index. What is the index? There are two shades that we have it. One is the plane. Is it right? And this is the central government allocations. Central government allocation. And the other one we have it is the crossbars. Okay, so this is from the state government. This is how we do this diagram, students. I hope you have followed this. If you have not followed, please watch this video once again and you will be able to understand what you need to do. This is multiple bar diagram. Thank you, students. In the next video, I will explain regarding the other type of diagram, maybe the percentage or the component bar diagram. I will teach you component bar diagram. Okay. Thank you very much.